Find each product. In the first example, we have 5 times -1 times -2. When we don't have any sign between numbers, it's always multiplication. We have 5 times -1 times -2. When we have multiplication, it doesn't matter which number we multiply first. So first times -1 or first times -2 or -1 times -2. It doesn't matter. First, what you check? You check the signs. First number doesn't have any sign, so it means it's positive. The second is negative, and the third is negative. So we have positive numbers times negative times negative. Positive sign, we don't have to think right now. We concentrate about negative signs. When we have two negative signs, negative times negative, like two negative numbers we multiply, the answer is always positive. So these two negative signs build one positive sign. So we have positive and 5 is positive. Positive times positive give me positive answer. And now I have to just multiply these three numbers. We have 5 times 1 times 2. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 5 times 1 times 2 is 10. Next example, we have -6 times 2 times 3. First, we concentrate on signs. We have negative number. When we don't have any sign, it means that these two numbers are positive. So we have negative number times positive times positive. Positive number times positive give you always positive answer. But when you have negative times positive, the answer is always negative. Or when you have positive number times negative, also the answer is negative. So, because one of these three numbers is negative, the answer will be negative. Because we have here multiplication, so it doesn't matter which number we multiply first. So -6 times 2 or -2, -6 times 3. It doesn't matter. When we have multiplication, you can multiply first 2 times 3. The result will be the same. So like I said, first we check the sign. We have negative. Both of these two numbers are positive, so we have negative times positive. So negative times positive, the answer is always negative. And now we have to just multiply number 6 times 2 times 3. So this is equal, 2 times 3 give me 6. So we have 6 times 6 is 36. Negative sign we have to rewrite. The answer will be -36. So we have to memorize. When we have one number negative, it doesn't matter how many you have positive, the answer will be negative. When we have three numbers negative, the answer also will be negative. When we have 5 numbers negative, the answer also will be negative. So you can write that when we have odd numbers with negative sign, the answer will be always negative. When we have even numbers with negative sign, the answer is always positive. Let me remind you, odd numbers, it means 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And in the third example, we have 3 negative numbers. So 3 is odd number. So because these 3 numbers are negative, the answer will be negative. Let's check. We have negative times negative. Negatives times negative give you positive, but you have times negative again. So negative times positive give you again negative sign. Let's maybe combine the signs. We have negative times negative. 2 negative numbers when you multiply, the answer will be positive. And next, we have to multiply this positive number times negative again, because the third number is negative. So we have now just, we have this negative sign from the last number. From the first two numbers, we have positive number. So now positive times negative is always negative. So, like I said, when we have odd numbers with negative signs, like here we have 3 numbers negative, the answer will be negative. And we have to just multiply these 3 numbers. We have 1 times 1 times 1. So negative sign we copy, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. This is my solution.